Overcoming business challenges for professional dealers and traders of CNC toolings, cutting tools, and metal-working fluid lubricants. Identify problems. Unlock your business growth solutions with Mechmetrics. Are you struggling to grow your business? Facing challenges in profitability, hiring, or reaching your dream customers? Let's identify the problems holding you back. Problem 1. Limited annual business growth. Are your monthly profits very low, with cash flow tied up in low-margin dealerships? Limited growth can keep your business stagnant year after year. Problem 2. Struggles to hire and retain talented employees. Do you find it hard to hire and retain talented employees? Low margins and high working capital pressure can make it challenging to offer competitive salaries or build a skilled team. Problem 3. Restricted access to target customers. Are your current brands stopping you from approaching your dream customers? When competitors dominate your target market, it limits your ability to expand, no matter how strong your connections are. Problem 4. Declining profitability every year. Is your profitability shrinking every year? Rising supply costs, inflation, and salary expenses eat into your profits, forcing you to work harder just to maintain the same levels. Problem 5. Lack of differentiation. Are price wars and lack of differentiation reducing your market value? Competing only on price can make it hard to stand out and win loyal customers. If these problems sound familiar, it's time to take action. At Mechmetrics, we help businesses like yours unlock solutions to achieve growth, profitability, and long-term success. Let's overcome these challenges together. Benefits to you as Mechmetrics authorized dealer. 1. Certificate of authorized dealership with dealer code. This will enable you to establish your credibility as an official business partner and as a genuine supplier to your customer. 2. Free demo material, QC50, and special packages on trial machines and tools for demo at your customer's factory shop floor. This will enable you to increase your order conversion rate with less investment and speed up conversion of new inquiries into sales revenue. 3. Establish your reputation as official Mechmetrics dealer while participating in industrial exhibitions, trade shows in your district. Gain respect and establish credibility while saving hugely on exhibition participation costs when you position yourself and get introduced as an authorized dealer when we attend forthcoming exhibitions in your district. 4. Business security. Protect your long-term business interests when you register your key accounts. As an authorized dealer, it is our endeavor to protect business interests of our channel partners on a long-term basis. Once you register your active key customers with us, then you are assured that Mechmetrics will direct shortlisted relevant inquiries to you and not provide quotations to dealer customers directly. 5. Incentive support to dealer sales executive team member. To encourage activities like trials and demo by dealers' sales executives, Mechmetrics provides quarterly performance-linked trial incentives up to 10,000 rupees per month per sales executive. 6. Expand your product portfolio with range of latest solutions from EasyMech brand to grow your. As a Mechmetrics authorized dealer, you have the opportunity to introduce these 8 products and grow your business exponentially from your customer base. Win with Mechmetrics. Imagine your future you can create. Build a product portfolio of not only low-rate items but technical innovations which will make you more valuable as a solution provider and not just another supplier. Stand out from other dealers in CNC machining and cutting tools market. Establish a business based on consultative sales by solving customers' problems, not just transactional sales by offering higher discounts. Open new doors from your targeted customers by offering solutions your customers will love.